Are you ready to dive into the world of consumer goods stocks? Let's explore two exciting investment opportunities that could be worth considering. But first, let's set the stage with a bold statement. The tech-driven bull market has been in the spotlight, but there are hidden gems in other sectors that are waiting to be discovered. And this is the part most people miss. Lululemon Athletica, a growing international brand. Lululemon Athletica, Nasdaq, Lulu, is a brand that has been making waves in the retail industry. With a loyal customer base and a growing international presence, Lululemon has been outperforming its competitors in terms of sales. Despite a slight dip in sales this year, the company's forward price-to-earnings multiple of 13 is still impressive, especially when compared to industry leader Nike. Lululemon's membership program boasts 30 million customers, providing a solid foundation for future growth. The company's expansion into new markets, particularly China, is expected to drive significant sales growth in the coming quarters. With a strong brand and a loyal customer base, Lululemon is a compelling investment opportunity for those seeking value. RH, a lifestyle brand with a rebound potential. NYSE, also known as Restoration Hardware, is more than just a furniture store. It's a lifestyle brand catering to high-income customers. Despite challenges from tariffs and a weak housing market, RH's revenue grew by 8.4% year-over-year in the second quarter. The company's expansion into hospitality, such as RH Guesthouses, and its presence in yachts, private jets, and fine dining, showcases its unique lifestyle offering. RH's ability to expand beyond metropolitan markets and drive demand in less populated areas is impressive. With the Federal Reserve's easing monetary policy and a potential rebound in the housing market, RH is poised for stronger growth. The stock's fair forward P/E of 20 and its significant decline from its previous peak make it an attractive investment opportunity. Controversy and comment hooks. While Lululemon and RH present compelling investment opportunities, it's essential to consider the broader market trends and potential risks. The tech-driven bull market may have overshadowed other sectors, but it's crucial to evaluate the fundamental strengths and growth prospects of each company. Investors should also be aware of the potential impact of interest rate changes and economic conditions on the housing market and consumer behavior. So, what do you think? Are these consumer goods stocks worth considering for your investment portfolio? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risks, and it's essential to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions.